What's up everyone, Leland with Benchmark Vehicles, and we are here again with another amazing 170 Sprinter all-wheel drive. This is one of the last 2023s rolling out of our shop this year. And to start things off, we roped in the Van Compass hidden winch mount. This is specifically designed for the all-wheel drive system. So it's really clean, it's really tight. We've got a factor 55 hook on the front. We've got the VR12S winch, LP6s on the grill, LP4s on the hood, 7 LP6s on the rack, which is my favorite light orientation. You really can't go wrong. There's over 100,000 lumens on the front of this van, so let's check out the rest. All right, so pretty sweet setup on this guy. X-Bull fenders, Talon wheels, BFG KO2s, and the first time we've installed the suspension, this new suspension kit from Agile Off-Road. This is their bypass valve shock. They're made by Fox. This allows for incredible dampening, really good rebound, full adjustability. We still have under the coil cover here, Bilstein strut with a coilover, and aux shock, which is the Fox. And this system, I haven't been able to take it off-road yet, but ripping around town, it's really compliant. You're gonna see us doing a lot more of these in the future. Moving on to the rear of this van, we installed the mini monster box mounted to a B2, the tire carrier ladder, Van Compass rear tug bumper with worn shackles. We've got our badge on here. This van's got rear glass to give a little bit more visibility inside the van, and opening up to a pretty sweet garage, wide open, what we're known for. You're not gonna see this much space, this much cubic footage in any other build out there. This is what we do best. Gear tray, full extension slides for your bikes, your bins, whatever you prefer to put in here. We've got a lot of systems tucked in here. Starlink, 640 amp hours lithium battery, multiple JL amplifiers. So we have our hydronic heating system here, and it's a 3-stage system. So we've got stage 1 being for the 17,000 BTU fan coil, so that's forced air heat. Stage 2 for the hot water system. Stage 3 for the radiant closed loop heated floor. So this is a toasty van. All right, leather Shieldmans, cloth centers. This is the first time I've used this pattern. I love it. Toby over at Shieldman's had this exact seat in his personal van. Did the white stitching on the black leather bolsters. Amazingly comfortable. I could sit here for weeks. This van was designed for a couple whose kids are out of the house. This is their toy, this is their escape. So we worked with them to come up with some really cool finishes, their ideal floor plan. All the convenient features you would come to expect, the pullouts, all of the silverware, all of our knives, bowls. You're gonna see this again and again in our builds because there's really no better way to organize your systems. All the mugs, got the Tom Collins glasses. Can't go wrong, little pantry here, flip up table. Additional workspace, more storage underneath this little bench here, big fridge, slim 150, big freezer, get your glassware out, freeze your mugs, get some ice going, load this thing up and you can just be out of town for weeks. Control panel above the fridge, as we're used to seeing. A lot of interactive ability with that. Microwave, additional storage, a couple more controls to get you down the road. I really like what the guys in the cabinet shop came up with on this one. So we always do cutting boards. It's just a beautiful walnut cutting board, handmade. Can't go wrong with that. Filtered water here, soap dispenser, nice black fixtures, pull out coffee maker, pull out trash. And then I think my favorite new design is this step So rather than just a platform, we've got a little mini ladder. Not bad back here. And just a sweet detail if you can zoom in on this. So to close the step, we've just got a little push button here to release the lock. It's seamless, it's integrated, you won't even know it's there. All right, so we've got a really fun shower here. We've done this a couple times, but interior sink within the shower. So filtered water goes directly from the guzzle filter to the bathroom sink. And washing your hands, brush your teeth, just another little zone to break up the space. We've got a dry flush toilet in here that can be removed if needed. Make more space for the shower. It can be tucked under the sink if you want to shower with it. We've got hooks in here. We use our black fixtures. Again, like I mentioned on the last video, we're going to keep going back to these black fixtures. It ties in really well with all the hardware of the fridge. The wood shower mat, wood shower shelf, and just a really nice little setup in here, and plenty of room to get cleaned off after a long day.